Okay, I'm back with you, cutie pies, with another vlog in Vlogmas. So today we are going to go ahead and get our day's kickstart started. It's been kicked off for me. I did some clean off camera and all this stuff, but as the girl was cleaning, dun dun dun, my nail came off, and yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and go to my nail tech, and she's gonna try and hook me up a bit, cause your girl can't be doing this while Vlogmas. Her nails gotta be on perfect, and her wardrobe, well, she got that on locks. But yeah, I'm gonna go to my nail tech, and I don't know if I'm gonna be able to show you guys all that, but I'm gonna try to bring you guys along with me as I can. But we're gonna go ahead and also go grocery shopping. So we're gonna go to Sam's Club, and we're gonna go ahead and get some stuff for the house. We need like groceries, like water and all that good stuff. So yeah, we're gonna do that. And yeah, so what else our day takes us, because you know, it's always a journey with KP. Oh, I should say that. Or I should probably tell my mom I should say it. Well, either way, it's gonna be a journey. But before we go, I'm gonna show you guys my outfit and also the perfume of the day, or yeah, perfume of the day, which if you come over to my newly cleaned and organized perfume station, yes, I had a perfume station over there. It was too cluttered for me, and the reach volume was not it. So here, I'm gonna show you guys my cute little perfume collection. It's slowly but surely growing, but the perfume I'm gonna choose for today is this one. Don't mind my nails, guys, you know I gotta go get them done. It is from Bodyology. I'm gonna go do an Island Beach Paradise fragrance. And funny thing about this, guys, I seen this spray, and I thought this like so cute, because I had like the other one, and I'm like, I don't have this one yet, so I'm gonna get this. And the first thing I seen when I looked at the ingredients how to make this was coconut. I'm like, I know I'm just gonna always pick up something that has coconuts. So yeah, this is our spray for today. So we're gonna go ahead and spritz ourselves up a little bit. I also got the lotion for it. It's very good. I also got one for my sister, because she likes to steal my stuff sometimes. So I got one just for her, so that we can be still twinsies, but as long as she won't be up on mine. If you know me, if you have siblings, you know. But that's our spray for today. And yeah, I'm also gonna throw on some jewelry, so I need you guys' help picking out a few jewelry. Should I go with butterfly bling, or should I go with simple bling? I'm thinking about like kind of like my simple bling, because I don't want to be too over top, but still, you know, razzle dazzle. But for my other jewelry, I'm definitely gonna take my my gold band one, because it's like cute. I'm gonna use this one because I like that. And I'm gonna definitely go with the butterfly one, but or the bling one. Still debating. But I'm gonna also go with earrings. Not gonna use sunglasses just yet, since it's not sunny out anymore, or at least I don't need them. But yeah. But I'm also gonna wear I got my cute leather jacket. As I said in the last video, I don't wear my leather jacket. Now I am. I'm wearing my leather jacket with my black jeans, which I finally got to wear these now, because before my buttons, like the button that I had on this, popped off, so I had to sew a new one on. But I also got my cute like knitted sweater outfit. It's my sherbet. I keep pronouncing it sherbet sweater, and it's very soft right now, because right now, guys, it is super cold. Like, I can't deal with it at all. I mean, I used to be in like Florida weather, and now that I'm here, it's very cold. I'm used to having like a lot of rain, more sunny, but it's cold and wet. I'm really cold as it is, and now I add some cold to mix. I don't know what's going on. So yeah, we're gonna do that. I might switch my purse out to match my outfit. I have this habit of keeping the same purse to go match my outfit, but also I have this one specific purse that matches all my outfits, so I just keep going with that. If anyone else have that thing they do with their purses, comment down below. But yeah, let's get to the car and let's go on our journey.
Oh, it's freezing.
Okay, kids, now that we're at the hot cocoa section, after that, we went to the grits section, and then we went to, because we seen the oatmeal, and I'm like, I should have got my oatmeal, but it wasn't. Then we went to fruit cup section, then we went to other sections in the store. Now we're leaving, but comment down below, kids, because this shoe walking video, this accidentally happened on accident. I meant to record normally, but I accidentally clicked on slow-mo, and like, look at it. It looks so bomb. So I'm like, I think I want to do this as my signature thing, because I record my feet, but I should do it in slow-mo, and it looks fab, because me, my sister, and my mom's shoe game is strong. It looks so pretty, and especially as our feet work, it's like we're like shoe models. We should be shoe models. Like, hey, any shoe models advertising want to sponsor, your girl's right here. You can come to me, call Kpcutie, hit me up in my DMs. I will show you guys a good footwork. So yeah, but anyways, we're leaving Sam's Club because this was a short shopping trip, and here's another shoe angle. Like, wow, like dark and light, nice. But I'm gonna pass it over to Kpcutie to tell you guys about my nail tech. Okay, keys, I am back after we went shopping to Sam's Club, and also I'm gonna show you. Went to my nail tech, got my nails did. She did a bomb job. Like, look at these nails. Like, girl, she hooks me up every single time like I go out and get my nails done for her, because baby, these are like something that I would definitely wear, and more I'll like. It's simple, but yet it gives that graphic design. It gives you that kind of like that little pizzazz, a little sparkle, but a little bit simple. So yeah, because I usually don't go with matte nails, but I think I'm about to go with matte nails sometimes, all the time. You know, I'm still glossy girl, still flossy. But yeah, we just came from Sam's Club. I am in my outfit because I just got finished recording at least parts of my new Vlogmas intro. So if you guys have not seen it, you're gonna see it now. But I got my, as you can see in background, got my outfits for my next few videos, and also for my photo shoot, which I need to still take for Vlogmas, and also my Instagram. So if you guys have subscribed to my Instagram, please go ahead and subscribe now. Link down in the description box below. My link tree is right there where I have all my social media platforms at, so go ahead, check it out. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead. I also did my door, decorate that. I'm not gonna give, that's all you're gonna get from me. Right background of my video, so you're not gonna get all of it. But I definitely cleaned my room up, and right now I'm just sitting, chilling. I got done cleaning and also organizing. I'm getting rid of stuff, so I got a bag full of clothes. Guys, today's kind of like a sad day for me, because
take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse, a greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and mercy. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first. I wanna feel again, I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how the story ends, but I can feel it's tense, don't know the consequence. The volatility of life, my only confidence. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all.